It's 10:42 a.m. It's 10:42 a.m.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಯಿತಾ? ದೆವ್ವ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಹೋಲಿಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
ಎಗ್ಸು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಗ್ಸು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೋ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಪವರ್. The ability of the spherical mirror to converge or diverge the reflected rays. Why that sounds? PP na? No, here these people are celebrating well. In our Andhra we will not celebrate Holi. Few other people don't know Holi also. Today Holi na, okay, Holi na, okay, fine, let it go like that. Write the formula. P is equals to minus 1 by f meters. Minus 1 by f in meters or minus 100 by f in centimeters. In case of lenses, it will be just 1 by f only. Okay na? So that is the power. In terms of radius, can you tell me the answer? In the case of radius, 200 by r. Correct? Why? Because in the place of f, what I can write? R by 2 I can write. Then sign convention, very important. So here, which image is this? Which mirror? Concave. Yes, concave and then convex mirrors. Now I'll tell you one shortcut to remember. By the way, first of all, you have to understand the mechanism, how to get the sign conventions. Now this is the reflecting surface. From which side reflecting rays will come? Incident rays will come. Tell me in terms of left and then right. Left to right, right? Why? Because the rays has to fall on this, and after that only reflection will happen. So the rays are coming in this direction. In whichever the direction rays are coming, that will be your positive direction. Clear? So in case of this one, which is positive direction? Right to left, right? So that right to left is a positive direction. Now for this, what will be there here? Focus will be there. Here what will be there? Center will be there. And also we will have the object distance and then image distance. Object distance nothing but u we will take, and image distance nothing but v. That you have to remember. And now I want to see the image nothing but where I have to keep the object. In which direction? Left side of the mirror or right side of the mirror? Left side of the mirror only, right? So let me take, I will place beyond C, where the image will be formed. Between C and F, already we know that. Now here right side direction is the positive, and while explaining about the pole definition, I said that pole should be considered always origin. Correct? I said in the definition, I mentioned that clearly. So that the pole will be the origin. This is the origin, means what you have to do? We have to measure the distance from the pole only. Now right side direction is the positive here. We have to measure in which direction? Left direction. Now tell me, this is the focus, this is the radius, and this will be the object distance. So now focus is positive or negative? See that my right side direction is what here? Positive. But from where you have to measure? From the pole only. From the pole I am measuring nothing but I am traveling in this direction. But positive direction is which direction? Right side. I am coming in which direction? Left side. So opposite side only. Then what will get here? F is negative. Then I want to measure the radius. R is what? Negative or positive? Negative only. Why? Because right side is positive. Again we are starting at the origin only and then we are coming to the center. I am reaching in the left side direction. So only the R is again negative only. Now what is about the object distance U? What is that? Positive or negative? Negative only. Why? Because that is also left side only. So this is also negative only. And the image distance will be always negative only, but in the last case, what is the last case of concave mirror? Which type of image we got? Virtual image. For that only the image will be positive. Positive distance will be there, remaining all it will be negative only. So you don't consider that image. Why? Because you don't know where the place of the object is. If the object is placed in between F and P, then obviously V will be positive. In all the cases it will be negative only. Clear? That is about the sign convention of this mirror. Let us see this mirror also. Now where the center and then where the focus will be, in which direction? Right side direction, right? Why? Because this is a reflecting surface and this is my full sphere. This is a full sphere for us. Now here the center is there, here the focus is there, and obviously we will place somewhere here the object. Object is there here. Now this distance is what here? Focal length. This distance is radius and this distance is object distance U. Now which side is positive side? Right to left is positive. Now where you have to start your journey? From pole only. There is no left to right, there is no right to left. Always you have to start from the pole only. So I started from the pole. I want to reach the focus. In which direction I will travel? Right side direction. But positive direction is which direction? Left side direction. So that focal length will be positive or negative? Negative again. Then radius will be also negative only. Why? Because my positive is this one and then I am going in this direction, nothing but that will be obviously negative only. So this is a negative. Then next one is U is also negative only. Clear? You just remember that for the case of concave mirror everything is negative. That might be either object distance or image distance or focal length or radius, anything it might be. But exceptional one case is there. That one case is where the object is kept. Whenever the object is kept between F and P, then what happens? Nothing but the image distance will be positive. In all the remaining cases it will be negative only. Clear? I will tell you the conclusion also finally. This is about the concave mirror. Whenever you come to the convex mirror, which is the reflecting side here? Left or right? First diagram. Why is this? Let them enjoy. Sunakanandam antare. You know what is a Sunakanandam? Sunakam andre you know? Sunakam means dog. Sunakanandam antare. So this is a convex mirror I have taken. For this convex mirror, which is the reflecting surface? Left side is a reflecting surface. Now obviously where you have to keep the object? Left side only. Why? Because rays has to come from that only. So that the object is kept at the left side only. Now where is my center and then focus everything? Right side. Everything is there in the right side only. So here the center is there, here the focus is there. Now in which direction rays are coming? Left to right or right to left? Left to right. So that why? Because this is a reflecting surface. Left to right, this is a positive side. Now tell me the focal length. This is a pole by the way. Focal length is positive. Why? Because we are taking that right side is positive. Now we are measuring the focal length, nothing but I am starting at the pole and going to the focus. In the same direction or opposite direction? Same direction. So that F is positive here. Then after that radius. Positive only, very good. Then object distance. Object distance is negative. Why? Because right side is positive. We are going to the object in the left side direction, so only the object distance is negative here. And also in the case of convex mirror we have discussed only two cases, only these two cases. In that two cases always where the image is formed? Where the image is formed? Non-reflecting side only, right? Image is formed here also non-reflecting side, here also non-reflecting side only. So in all the cases the image will be in the non-reflecting side. The non-reflecting side is which side here? Positive or negative? Positive side only. So image might be formed here whenever the rays are paraxial. Image might be formed here whenever the object is kept on the principal axis. So always it will be in the right side, nothing but this is the image. So what I can say, V is positive or negative? Positive. Why? Because right is positive, we are measuring from the pole only. Again right, that is V is positive. Then next, here in this convex mirror also, which is the reflecting surface? Right or left? Right side. Can you solve this one? We'll get the same only. And also you just remember there is no need to do that directions and all, no need to think that much and all. So just remember that for concave mirror everything is negative only. Even the image distance also negative only, except only one case. That one case is which one? Whenever the object is placed in between focus and pole. Okay, in all the cases everything will be negative only here. And also in the problems, whenever they are asking the image distance, you should not take V as negative. You will get V as negative. You understand, right? So that whichever you are finding, for that you don't apply the sign. Why? Because that you have to find by the way. So only here U and then R, F, V, everything is negative only. While solving the problem you can understand that. So everything is negative only except one case, that is whenever the object is kept in between the focus and pole. This is very very important. So only I am repeating this many times. Then after that, whenever you come to the convex mirror, everything is positive only, always. This is applicable always except the object distance. Object distance will be negative, always it will be. In this one exceptional case is there, but for this one nothing is there. Everything is positive, object will be negative. Clear? Right, the sign convention. Direction of incident ray is positive. Direction of incident ray is positive. Next point. Pole is the origin. Pole is the origin. That is all the distances to be measured from the pole only. All the distances to be measured from the pole only. The next point, while measuring the distance from the pole, traveling in the direction of incident ray, the sign of the distance is positive. Sign of the distance is positive. If not, negative. If not, it is negative. Which case, that is last case, fifth case, seventh case, sixth case in concave mirror? Sixth case. See, look at this again. So right side is positive. Why? Because incident rays will fall on the reflecting surface only. Right side is positive. We are measuring the focus in the left side. We are measuring the center in the left side. We are measuring the object in the left side. Everything is left only. So everything is negative only here. Then whenever you come to the convex mirror, here right side is positive I have taken. Why? Because the incident ray will fall on the reflecting surface only. That is just based on the orientation of the mirror. If the mirror is kept like this is the convex mirror is kept like this. left to right is a positive. Whenever the mirror is kept like this, then right to left is a positive. So that you should not remember by the direction. Always you have to remember that orientation only. So here this is a reflecting surface, then positive direction I have taken towards the reflecting surface. Then we are measuring the focus in the same direction, we are measuring the center in the same direction, even we are measuring the image also in the same direction. So everything is positive only except the object. Object we are measuring in which direction? Opposite direction. So only that will be negative. Clear? Write draw all the diagrams, everything you write. Water कह रहे उनका नोट्स में तू लिख रहा, रफ के जैसे यूज़ कर रहा. Make it fast. Write a note point. Very, very important note. Very, very important. For concave mirror, object distance UFR, you write directly. UF capital R are always negative, The image will be image distance also, the image distance V also negative in all the cases. Except when object is kept in between pole and focus. When object is kept in between pole and focus. Next point. In case of convex mirror, FV capital R are always positive, and U is always negative, Next one, mirror formula. There is no need of the proof of the mirror formula, directly we will discuss that. What is the mirror formula? 1 by F is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. In the case of lens, it will be minus 1 by V minus 1 by U will come, that we will discuss later. So 1 by F is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Don't take this formula, you have to take directly minimized formula, then only you will get the correct answer. Why? Because for taking LCMs and all, you will take more time for this. So I want to find the focal length first. What I can do here, 1 by f is equals to, what is the LCM here? Vu and then u plus v. Now focal length f is equals to what I can write? uv by u plus v. For focal length always use this formula only, don't use this one. Except 1 by 10, 1 by 10 like that they have given, means you can take directly 2 by 10 only. In all the remaining cases you have to use this only. F is equals to uv by u plus v. Now I want to find out the image distance. 1 by v is equals to what I can write? 1 by f minus 1 by u. 1 by f minus 1 by u means what will be the LCM here? fu is the LCM, u minus f will be there in the numerator. Now the image distance v is equals to what I can write? Image distance v is equals to what I can write? uf by u minus f. uf by u minus f. Always object distance or image distance only will be positive, focal length will be negative only in these formulas, minimized formulas. Then 1 by u is equals to, in similarly what I can write here? v minus f by vf only. Correct? 1 by u is equals to what I can write? 1 by f minus 1 by v. LCM is fv and then v minus f. So this is a u by the way. Then u is equals to what I can write? vf by v minus f. Always you have to use these formulas only. Now see that whenever you see the f in our formula, whatever we want to derive, in the original formula it will not come. Whenever we want to derive the f, nothing but you will not get the f here, uv by u plus v only. Whenever we want to derive the v means we will not get the v in the formula, we will get only u and f. We are having only three components here, one is u, another is v, another is f. If you want to derive the f will not come in the formula. If you want to derive the v, it will not come in the formula. If you want to derive the u, it will not come in the formula. So I want to derive the v. So in my formula v is not there. That will be in between what always? U and f only. So u f by u minus f. Always u and v are bigger. And then whenever you want to derive the u, at that time what will get? vf by v minus f. See this? Here also and here also. V only bigger. F is smaller. So only u minus f and then v minus f. Clear? That is how you have to remember the formulas. Don't confuse in between them. Always u and v should be positive in the formula. After the values substitution, we will see that negative or positive by using the concave and then convex. These formulas will be applicable for all the cases of mirrors, that is either concave mirror or convex mirror. Clear? That is a mirror formula. Copy that. Still magnification is there, we will finish it fast and then we will do the problems. We will close the spherical mirrors today. Time is 30. Done? One more will be there. Newtons will put finger everywhere. So he kept the finger in the ray optics also. Newton's formula. Newton's formula. So generally this V and U are what? V is what? Image distance. U is what? Object distance. F is what? Focal length. Measured from where? Pole. Always it will be measured from the origin only, that is a pole. But Newton's slightly he changed, everything he copied only, and after that what he said means, whenever the object distance and then image distance are measured from the focus only. So for example, let me take this is the object. Now U nothing but from where we will take? We will take from the pole itself. Then what Newton said, nothing but the object distance is not measured from the pole, it is measured only from the focus. Let me take that is the x1 distance. So total U will be how much? Tell me now. F plus x1 only. And then he said that image distance also did not measured from the pole, it is measured from the focus only. That image distance is, let us consider x2. Now tell me what is the x2, nothing but in the case of concave mirror, we will take this one is a generalized method, so that in the case of concave mirror, whenever you consider, and then here I kept the object, and then here the focus is there, here the center is there. Now here this is the object, means from the focus how much distance I said? x1. So from the pole how much distance will be there? u. From the pole to the focus how much distance will be there? f. Now u is equals to what I can write? f plus x1. In the same way, obviously here I have taken the object beyond C, then where the image will be formed? Between C and F, very good. Between C and F, here the image is formed. Now from the focus the distance of the image is x2. From the pole the distance of the focus is focal length f. From the pole the distance of the image will be how much? V only, right? So that V is equals to what I can write? f plus x2. Object distance is f plus x1 and then image distance is f plus x2. Why? Because the distance is measured from where? Focus only. Now the focal length formula again, 1 by f is equals to 1 by f plus x1 plus 1 by f plus x2. Now I want to find out the focal length, means the focal length will be f square is equals to x1 into x2. If you want you can calculate that, you will get the same answer only. Then I want to get the focal length, f is equals to what I can get? Root over x1 into x2. This is a Newton's formula. Based on this different graphs will be there, those are not necessary. Spherical mirror only not necessary. Again what you will do with the graphs? Clear? So that f is equals to root x1 x2. That is a Newton's formula. In that write that the distance of object and the distance of object is x1 from the focus and distance of image is x2 from the focus.
Sorry,
Distance
I
of
didn't get
image
that.
is f2 from the focus. Draw the diagram, copy that. Any with breakfast? Mandakki. Mandakki with bhaji na? Did he not give? Mirchi not given? Mandakki with water? Water adrella hakidra kottidra? Mandakki with turmeric? Pickle? Fingers? फिंगर्स क्या है? फिंगर्स भी उन लोग ही दिया क्या? यतीश? न्यूटन बैचलर मैरिड? बैचलर बट अनमैरिड. Same like Shreyas only. 1 plus 2 or 3 Shreyas? Magnification. What the magnification means? Generally magnification nothing but what? The image will be how much larger than the object or image will be how much smaller than the object. That is what the magnification means. So here magnification is the ratio of size of the image by size of the object. Size of the image by size of object. Nothing but out of my object size, how much the image size. That is what the magnification means. The ratio of size of the image by size of the object. That might be height, or that might be the distance, or that might be the area, or that might be the length. So in this magnification, we will have different magnifications. One is lateral magnification, another is longitudinal magnification, another is aerial magnification. Lateral nothing but lateral or transverse magnification means always the object will be kept perpendicular to the principal axis. That is about the lateral magnification. Next, longitudinal magnification nothing but object will be kept parallel to the principal axis. That is a longitudinal magnification. Then after that we will get the aerial magnification. At that time we will take the area of the object and then area of the image. Always it will be ratio of the image by the object only. That might be length, or that might be area, or that might be the height, anything. So whenever you come to the lateral or what is that I said? Transverse magnification. Anything can be asked in the problem, so that you have to get to know the terminology mainly. So lateral or transverse magnification. What I said, the object will be kept. How it will be kept? Perpendicular to the principal axis. Object is kept like this. This is the height of the object. Now whenever the object is kept in between C and F, where the image will be? Beyond C. So beyond C, like this it will be there. Inverted, obviously inverted and then enlarged also, so that this is the height of the image. Now my magnification factor is what I said, height of the image by height of the object. That might be size, whatever the size might be. So that height of the image by height of the object. And then this will be exactly equals to minus V by U. Magnitude of image distance by object distance, or without magnitude we can take it as minus V by U. Why minus V by U? Nothing but here height is which height it is? Inverted. Inverted nothing but in which direction? Negative y axis. So always you have to take that height above the principal axis positive, height below the principal axis is negative, so that this is negative, so only we are getting here minus V by U. Clear? This is the magnification. Which magnification I said? Lateral magnification. Then longitudinal magnification. What I said, the object will be kept parallel to the principal axis. Parallel to principal axis. Now the diagram will be there like this. So this is a center and the focus here. Now the object is kept like this. Length will be there for the object. Like this, the object is kept. This is the object I have taken. Where the image will be formed, obviously between C and F means the image will be formed beyond C only. So beyond C the image is forming like this. That is the image I have taken. Obviously enlarged only, so only I have taken little bigger object, the bigger image here. This is the image. Now how to get this formulas means, look at this. So here we are having the extension, we are having the length. Length means we will take U1 and then U2. First side is we will take it as U1, which is near to the pole, and then next one is U2. So total length of the object is how much now? Only length of the object. U2 minus U1 only. Very good. Then whenever I come to the image, this is V1 and then this will be the V2. What is the length of the object? V2. Length of the image is V2 minus V1. I said that size of the image by size of the object. That size might be height, or that size might be length, or that size might be area also. Anything it can be. So here now this is having what here? Length. This is having what here? Height. So only I discussed about the height formula here, hi by h naught. Now magnification is equals to length of, what you have to take first? Length of the image divided by length of the object. Length of the image is how much? V2 minus V1, that divided by length of the object is U2 minus U1. By the way, image distance and object distance will be what here? Negative will come, right? So only I have taken it as negative. So here V2 minus V1 means simple formula, I can take it as minus delta V by delta U also. A simple formula. And also after that we will take this as a longitudinal magnification. The longitudinal magnification is, this formula is important. Longitudinal magnification is square of the linear magnification or lateral magnification. Longitudinal magnification is square of the lateral magnification. This is one of the important relation. Okay, first listen. First and foremost, we will have the lateral magnification or transverse magnification. In that, the object will be kept perpendicular to the principal axis. It is kept perpendicular. For example, I am just standing. What I will have? Height I will have. So only we have to discuss about the height. Whenever I sleep, at that time what I will have? I will have the length. So that length only we have to discuss in the next case. So first one is lateral or transverse magnification. For the lateral or transverse magnification, we kept the object on the principal axis in between C and F. Already we know from the rules, it will be formed beyond C and enlarged image and also inverted image. So only I have drawn the inverted image here. Height of the object is H0, height of the image is Hi. So here height of the object is there above the principal axis. So that will be what? Positive. Height of the image is below the principal axis, that will be negative. So only that will be exactly equals to minus V by U only. Nothing but you cannot say that Hi is equals to minus V, H0 is equals to minus U. That is wrong. I taken only ratios. The ratio of heights of the image and object is exactly equals to ratio of heights distances of image and object. Don't take that Hi nothing but V, H0 nothing but U. You might be take like that, but that's wrong. Ratios only equal. Individually they are not equal. For example, it can be 25 by 5, it can be 30 by 6. You understand? Na? In all the cases how much will come? 5 only, right? So that is how it will be. You cannot say that 25 is equals to 30, 5 is equals to 6. That's wrong. Clear? I understand right now. Then that is about the lateral or transverse magnification. The object kept perpendicular to principal axis. Next one is longitudinal. In the name itself it is there, the object will have length. So that length is there nothing but we cannot say the object is a point object. If the point object nothing but it will not have any height and then any length. So for that you have to take first of all U1 and then U2. First edge is U1 distance, another edge is U2. Like that V1 and then V2. Now magnification means I said that size of the image by size of the object. That size might be length. So only length of the image by length of the object. That is delta V by delta U. And this is important. The lateral magnification is equal, longitudinal magnification is square of the lateral magnification. Clear? Copy that. Even still aerial is there. Feeling boring? निम्मिब्बर faces ನೋಡಿದಂದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಇದೆ. क्या रे? घर को जाके आया तू? ऐसा समझ में आया? क्या खाया? रोज़ा था ना, आज भी है। सुबह 4 बजे खाया, फिश खाया। मैडम है, मैडम को लेके आना बोल, कुछ भी नहीं रहे तेरे को। अच्छा ಏನು ಉದಯ್, ನಿಮ್ಗಂದರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮನೆ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ? ನಮಗೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಥರ ಮೇಧಾವಿಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ. 1-2 ಮನೆ ಒಂದೇ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ, 2-3 ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. चार बस रे, साका 4. Next aerial magnification means what will get? Area of image by area of object. Write that directly formula. Aerial magnification MA. Aerial magnification MA. Area of image by area of object. Area of image by area of object. Write the formula V by U whole square. V by U whole square. Squares will come. Why? Because length square no, area nothing but length square will come. So only we will get the V by U whole square there. And also magnification will be always measured in terms of what is that, magnitude only. Magnification nothing but I will say that 2 times larger or 2 times smaller. I cannot say that positive 2 times larger, positive negative 2 times smaller, that and all. If automatically negative is coming nothing but that is smaller only. Clear? And positive coming nothing but that will be larger. This will be only about the magnitudes. Then next one is velocity. Velocity of velocity of image when object velocity of image vi when object is write as a direct points velocity of image vi when the object is moving with v naught perpendicular to principal axis. Perpendicular to principal axis, that is vi is equals to perpendicular nothing but which type of magnification we will get? Perpendicular nothing but lateral magnification. In lateral any squares are there? Nothing. So that what you can write, vi is equals to m v naught we can write. Vi is equals to m times of v naught. Next, when object is moving parallel to principal axis, then image velocity vi is equals to parallel nothing but which type of magnification? Long